If you're a quiet person, you may find it challenging to command respect from others. However, being quiet doesn't mean you can't be respected. In fact, there are several steps you can take to ensure that you are respected and valued by those around you. Here are 8 steps to help you make people respect you even if you're quiet. 1. Be confident in yourself. Confidence is key when it comes to earning respect from others. Even if you're quiet, it's important to exude self-assurance and believe in your abilities. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction when you do communicate with others. 2. Communicate effectively. While you may not be the loudest person in the room, it's important to communicate effectively when you do speak. Choose your words carefully, be concise, and make sure your message is clear and to the point. This will show others that you are thoughtful and have valuable insights to offer. 3. Be a good listener. Listening is a powerful way to earn respect from others. By being a good listener, you can enhance your relationships, build trust, and demonstrate respect towards others. Remember to practice active listening. Show genuine interest in what the other person is saying, and validate their feelings and experiences. Avoid interrupting, giving unsolicited advice, or making judgments. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective, asking clarifying questions, and providing empathy and support. By being a good listener, you can create a positive and supportive environment for meaningful communication and connection. 4. Demonstrate your expertise. Even if you're quiet, you can still showcase your knowledge and skills in your field. Share your expertise through your work, projects, or contributions to discussions. When others see the value you bring to the table, they will naturally respect you for your abilities. 5. Set boundaries. It's important to establish boundaries and assert yourself when necessary. Don't be afraid to speak up if someone crosses a line or disrespects you in any way. By setting clear boundaries, you show others that you value yourself and expect to be treated with respect. 6. Be authentic. Authenticity is key when it comes to earning respect from others. Be true to yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. People will respect you more if you are genuine and honest in your interactions. 7. Show kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy go a long way in earning respect from others. Show compassion and understanding towards others, and treat them with respect and dignity. By demonstrating empathy, you show that you care about others and value their feelings. 8. Lead by example. Finally, lead by example in all that you do. Show integrity, honesty, and professionalism in your actions and interactions with others. By leading by example, you inspire others to follow suit and earn their respect through your actions rather than just words. In conclusion, earning respect from others is a journey that requires self-awareness, empathy, and consistency in your actions. By practicing these 10 tips, you can cultivate a reputation as a respected individual in both your personal and professional life. Remember, respect is not given. It is earned through your words, actions, and values. Strive to be a role model. Treat others with kindness and consideration, and always be open to feedback and growth. Thank you for taking the time to read these tips on earning respect. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a respected and admired individual.